I just come with KGM JAM, owner of Pro Advertisers Club, a totally free site to advertise. Go to proadvertisersclub.com, join for free today, and start advertising for free. Okay, today is Saturday the 16th, I believe it is. Yes, and we're going to go over and look at my land and do the claims, check out my chest rewards for end of season and daily, then go open some packs and then do some battles. So let's get over there and start doing that. Okay, first I want to start off with my guild. I just started it. I am the only member right now, so if you are looking for a guild, come on over. I'm not asking that you put in any money or anything unless you want to. Just pretty much come and battle and show up for the battles type thing. I've got 3 days to my first brawl, and I've got the buildings all built at level 1 except for the store, which I got at 2, but I won't be able to open it up at level 2 until I get 40 crowns, so it's going to take a battle or two. I don't know how that works. This is my first guild. I kept getting kicked out of the other ones, so decided to make my own. Let's go and do the land claims. Okay, I can't do anything on this one still, but it is, I did get more power on there, or I staked more DEC. I got a total of 26,000 DEC on there now, and I only need 18, so I'm at 100% efficiency. And it is now going to be 28 days before it is ready to go for the grain farm. So 28 more days. So there's really nothing I can do there. I don't need to stock it up on grain because it's going to have its own grain. All right, let's go to my only grain farm, which is on my swamp, which means I got to move it when 2.0 comes in over to the lake, which currently has my SPS on it. Come on, token piece, let's go. You can get anywhere from a common to a legendary piece anyway. And I have yet to get a piece of anything on any of the properties, so I'm probably due. And not this day. Okay, now I got leftover grain because my workers took about half of it. So I'm going to send 5,000 to each one of the other properties. So let's go do that. Right now with land, that's pretty much all you can do until they come out with 2.0, which it could be up to a year, maybe less. 5,000. Continue. Send it over to Ashton. As you can see, I'm starting to stockpile grain on those properties. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show the battles today because it's moving really slow. All right, let's go do the next 50 or 5,000. See, I'm sending 5,000, but only 4,375 is going to get there because of the taxes and the fees. You can't escape taxes. Okay, let's get back to the land and see if I can manage anything. I've got cards that I put on land and took off, so they're locked for like 6 days. It's supposed to be 3, but you can't start to unlock them for 3 days, so the total is 6 days. But what I'm going to check is see if there's anything that there's. I don't think there is, but these are all the cards I currently have on it. I've got 3 maxed out gold legendary, 1 epic, and 1 rare. And so I will replace these with legendaries someday. And I do have the totem pole on it, the only one that I had. And then you just click on the least, this one right here, that's 48. And then this will pop up down here, and there's nothing more powerful to put on there because it will be at the top. And you got to be careful because you don't want to put minus 50% like that. If I would have put that one on there, it'd be minus 50 because it doesn't coincide with the exact property that you have. All right, let's go claim the SPS. Then we'll look at chest rewards, open some packs. I've just been claiming once a day now. I was doing it every hour that I could for a while, but from what I found out, it doesn't increase your chance for a totem piece if you claim every hour or if you wait a whole day. It equals out the same. It's just it does come down to the amount of hours that you've been in production. Okay, I got 9.175 SPS. Let's harvest that. Come on, totem piece. Nada. Let's go back. That automatically goes up here into your SPS account. There is no holding box for it. SPS is probably going to be done away with in Land 2.0, from what I understand. You won't be able to mine it. So you got to get it while you can. All right, now let's go claim my production points, or research points. Got 32 of those. And here's my last chance for a totem piece for today. Unless I want to claim next hour, which I don't. And none. So struck out again today. Okay, so now let's go, and I want to show you something that I just started to do because, hold on a second. Okay, this is yesterday's daily focus chest. I had 10 of them, and I got 3 cards, 0.197 SPS, and 4 legendary, or 1 legendary, 3 alchemy. So I'll use those on the pack opening. And this was my season reward. I only had 4 chests, so I got 3 of this cards, 1 of those, 1 alchemy, 1 legendary, and total value is pretty much 0. These you can't sell. So if you could sell these, it might be $1 or $2, depending on how valuable the cards are. But so every day I'm going to start showing you my rewards. All right, here we go. I got 10 packs. Got a few potions, but not many. When I get up in higher rank, I'll get more and more potions and start having enough to cover all my pack openings. Right now, the Chaos Legions is the best bang for the buck, and you also got a chance to get the legendary gold, which those are drying up, by the way. The cheapest one now is $54. All right, let's see what we got here. You guaranteed a rare or better. I got an epic already. The blue is the rares, so I'm guaranteed at least 10 rares, so I'll do better than that. 2 epics, nice. And any of these can be gold. Now I'll either use these rebuilding my deck or sell them. Okay, 2 epics, no legendaries today. Let's see if I get any gold. Here's the first epic. Here's a gold. That's 1. Use him all the time. I got 5 of him. Then what I'll do is combine these and build the deck up. And oh, nice, gold rare, beautiful. Go, here's an epic, 2 of them. that's 3 epics I actually got today. Not bad at all. Three of the Riftwing. That card for not attacking can be a big pain in the ass if you're battling it, because it quickly gets more and more hit points. Summoner, nice. Got 2 summoners there. Okay, there we go. So not a bad day at all. 2 gold, 3 epic, and a couple summoners. Now they're burning like 25,000 a day of the 10 million Rift Watcher packs, or Rebellion, I mean, because they're trying to apply pressure, so the longer it goes, there'll be people buying on one end and burning on the other end, so it will dwindle the supply down to it meets in the middle. And I think that's excellent. Stuff like that is what can keep a market alive, you know. So I'm all for that. All right, let's go and do some battling if we can, and get maybe 2, 3 before it starts freezing up. Now I'm playing in Wild and I'm using Splintermate bot, but you can't use them in Modern. So if you're going to use a bot, you got to go to Wild. And Splintermate charges me $1 a month, but it keeps me caught up on my game playing, because you can take over anytime when you got time to play it, and then when you're away from it, it'll do the battles for you. Because if you don't, you're going to miss out on a reward chest. And I'm already having a hard time getting over there, so I don't know if I'm even going to be able to do one battle. Let me turn the music off and the music's trying to turn off. Okay, I finally got over to the battle page. And the music won't turn off. There we go. Okay, that's off, and the banner should disappear. All right, let's see if I can get a battle in. Let's go down to, but all these were played during the night last night. So we'll just start here. And also, though, you can use the bot to teach you how to play, because you'll see what I could be playing a human or another bot. I don't know. But uh, it can show you a lot on different order of cards. And see, I can't even get it to play one game. Yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to get any games in. I'm going to go ahead and close it down. What I might try to do is live stream and just do live battling. So anyway, sorry about that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you get a chance, go over to Pro Advertisers Club and check it out. And have a nice day.